Fort Worth Meacham, partly sunny, 81, southeast at 23, gusting to 33. Arlington, partly sunny, 81, southeast at 24, gusting to 35. McKinney. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, Cook County in north-central Texas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sanger, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Sanger, Lindsay, Callisburg, Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch, Hubert H. Moss Lake, Lake Kiowa, Roadrunner, Valley View, Walnut Bend, Lois, Sturgeon, Lake Ray Roberts, Civils Bend, Bolivar, Ura, Woodbine, Dexter, and Burns. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 474 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.